Now come to exercise 11.2. So the first question is, Ashu reads 21 pages of a book every day and finishes the book in 30 days. If he reads 18 pages in a day, in how many days will he finish reading the book? Now you see, if you read more pages in a day, then the book will finish faster. Therefore, the quantities will vary inversely. They are opposite to each other. So we'll make a table, number of pages and number of days. Okay. So in number of pages is 21. Then the book finishes in 30 days. Okay. Now the question is number of pages. If it is 18, then you have to find out the number of days. In this case, we'll take the number of days to be x. Since the two quantities vary inversely, therefore a1 into b1 equals to a2 into b2 formula we will use here. That means a1 into b1 equals to a2 into b2. Okay, so this we have applied here. So in the next step we'll bring the 18 to this side, so it will become divided. So after cancellation the answer comes out to be 35. Next question you see, question number 2. If 5 men build a wall in 6 days, in how many days 10 men will do it? Okay, so if number of men is less, the days will be more. So suppose if the number of men is more, the days will be less then. So here also the quantities are varying inversely. We'll make the table here also, number of men and number of days. So when number of men is 5, number of days is 6. So if the number of men is 10, number of days we have to find out, so it is x. So therefore a1 into b1 equals to a2 into b2. So here also we have done the same thing. So we have brought the 10 to this side, so it become divided. After cancellation, your number of days, that is x, is 3 days. Okay. Question number 3. 6 pipes are required to fill the tank in 64 minutes. How many pipes are required to fill the tank in 96 minutes? Okay. Here also, when time is less, number of pipes will be more. So the quantities are inverse to each other. So time and number of pipes. Time 64 minutes, number of pipes is 6. When time will become more, 96, we have to find out the value of x here. So 64 into 6 equals to 96 into x. Okay. So I'll bring this 96 to this side, it becomes divided. After cancellation, the x is 4 pipes. That means number of pipes is 4. Next, question number 4. There are 124 students in a hostel. Food provisions for them is for 28 days. How many more students join the group so the food lasted for 16 days? Okay. So if there are less students, obviously the food will last longer, because less students will eat less food. More students, they will eat more food. So here the quantities are varying inversely. So number of days and number of students. Number of days 28, students is 124. If number of days is 16, then how many students? X we have to find out. Now same thing we will do here. 28 into 124 into equals to 16 into x. So we have done it. We brought the 16 to this side. After cancellation, your x is 217 students. Now this 217 students is actually the total number of students that are present, not the new number of students that have joined. Now how will you find out the new number? So from the total students, now just now you have got 217. From that you subtract 124. That means whatever number of students is given in the book. So if you subtract, you will get how many new students joined. That is 93. Okay. Next is question number 5. If 17 laborers can complete the work in 42 hours, how many workers will be required to do the same work in 34 hours? Okay. So when time is more, number of laborers are less. So number of hours and number of laborers, we have done the same thing. We have put the values. Then we have multiplied them. 42 into 17 equals to 34 into x. We brought the 34 to this side. After cancellation, our x is 21 laborers.